What's up?
My sister.
That's Daddy, I think.
No, it's not him.
We fail at recognizing my dad.
You fail. You fail. So this is her on Snow Mountain.
The hardest part of the snow, because otherwise you go like this then. And you sink like 20 inches.
Yeah.
And it's like almost up to my knees, and I'm not even touching the ground. So...
You're touching the snow ground.
Yeah. This is all our snow from our driveway, which is ridiculous.
Cool at the same time, but...
Yeah, okay. So, anyways, these are our videos to you guys, because...
We love you.
We love you so much. I would put a heart, but I can't. Yeah. So,
I would, but I'm holding the
I'm
camera.
trying to get back up on Snow Mountain so that way I don't think my jeans are getting wet.
Let's watch as she falls. Ha!
Whoa, your jeans are wet. So are mine. Okay.
Woohoo!
No, your other jeans are like up to your knees.
Well, yeah, I fell.
Yeah, okay.
Remember? Snow
My
fort?
legs are getting cold.
My legs are cold.
So it's like really late. And
As you can see,
yeah.
there's the moon.
But I wanted to show you guys our finishing products and everything. So we made these videos for you. We love you. Okay. And yeah, so we're going to leave and we're going to inside and we're going to warm up now because I'm freezing, okay? So, we love you.
Catch you later.
Okay, I just fall. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Love you. Bye.